ng place. Ayan yung pond na may water fountain, and then madaming turista na nagtitake ng photos. And this is the second bridge. Pa-exit na tayo. Babalik tayo doon sa main entrance. And ito yung pinaka main entrance niya just before papasok sa temple or shrine. Ito yung walkway niya. This is a 5-minute walk from the Zaifu station. And sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng feels niya. Sobrang lawak ng pagdadaanan mo. And maraming mga food stalls on the side. So ito naman, outside na to ng the Zaifu temple, yung walkway. Ito na yung pa-train station na. So as mentioned, 5-minute walk lang siya. So all in all, I can rate this 10/10. Sobrang namangha kami and sobrang ganda ng place. So it's a must visit, guys. Thank you for watching. Uwi na kami. Bye!